Alright guys, welcome back. It's another day to learn. Today I'll be teaching you guys change how you can change charging port. Now this is the new port already. Okay, this is the new port. I get something like this so you can easily do what I want to tell you now. Now on this place there are 5 here. Take off the 3 middle ones. Take them off. Okay. The reason why you are taking this off so that why you want to solder it will not breach. Remember, you are just doing it for charging port's sake. Okay. Now the next thing you need to do, I believe you must have known how to disassemble this phone. This itel 2160 or Techno rather. It's a Techno phone I'm holding. Now peel off this upper layer like this. The upper layer with a blade. Do this. Then what I'll be showing you is just in case you are just coming up as an engineer, you don't know how to go about it. Maybe there's no funds for you to get a rework station yet. I'll be showing you what you can use. It's easy, but you have to be very careful, otherwise you may damage the phone. Alright, look for something like this. Just place it on top of the phone. Alright, remember we want to take this off from the phone, the charging port, and you need something hot to do that. These are new charging port already. Get a candle. Alright, the candlestick. I've been using this for quite some time now. Light your candlestick manually. No money to buy the workstation. Light your candlestick. Okay. Yeah, the candlestick is up. You can see take your picker normal, then gently heat off the charging port like this. Okay, this whole process should take between 10 to 15 minutes to be out. Take it out. You can see it is neat. Do that carefully, otherwise you might pull this part off from the panel, which might give you some stress. Then just take the new one. Okay, the candle is still heating. Put the new one. You fix it back at exact position. Alright, then Just allow it to sit properly. And allow for some time for it to dry up. Now, just in case after fixing it on the panel, maybe it still didn't work, okay? Just take your soldering iron, take little lead. Remember I told you the first and the last from on the charging port. Remember we removed the three middle ones. Just take little lead, okay, like this, little one, then just tackle it, both of them, to the panel. Okay, once that is done, you can then test the foam. Now you can see now.
You say God thank you. Oh dear.
Let's test and see.
I like to like this JBL.
Just wait.
Bros, how for that JBL? Hello, bros.
You can see it's already working. I hope this video has been of help to you. If you are watching this video on YouTube, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.